like stunning.
Yes, honey. This, girl, I'm ready to go to Cuba, honey, Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic, honey. Get your passport. Let's go. You know what I'm saying? The girl just came through with a very colorful look, okay? And I just have been so inspired by the P. Louise Academy. I've told you guys about this page before. She's on Instagram. I love their looks, okay? And I just was so inspired to do some color on my channel. You know, I have their base. Where is it? I have the P. Louise base. So I decided to use some of her techniques incorporated in mine, okay? Wasn't able to do it all, do everything she do, okay? But I did take some of her stuff, mix it in with mine, and this is the look that I came up with. So I really hope that you guys like this very colorful, very diva-licious look, honey. Natural hair tied up, bun type of headscarf look. Let me know in the comments what you think. But if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. So starting out with my P. Louise base, to carve out my brows and lay down my base, I'm using the color 0.5. Then I'm going into the Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette with the color Amethyst. So I'm going to be using one of the P. Louise techniques, which is to start out with your dark crease color as your transition color. So I'm going to be packing in this color and then blending it out. I'm going to go back and forth until I get the color payoff that I want, and then I will move on to a lighter transition color. This is what they do at their academy, and I really love it because you get more color payoff with the dark colors by using those colors first. Then I'm going to clean the brush off the Morphe M562 using the color Blazing, and now I'm going to use this as my lightest transition color, and I'm going to try to blend out any harsh lines that I may have gotten from Amethyst, because we still want it to go from dark to light with that gradient. So next I'm grabbing a bigger blending brush, which is my MAC 217. So I'm going to go back and forth with the color Blazing in these two brushes until I get the blend that I want. So I'm going to pack on Blazing with the smaller blending brush, then I'm going to go back with the bigger blending brush until I get that gradient that I want. So this is for you girls who don't mind doing a little blend work to get a really multi-dimensional look. Then here I'm just going back in with Amethyst just to make sure I didn't lose any of that darkness, because I really do want that gradient of dark to light. Next, I'm going to start closing in on my lid, and I'm just going from the inner and outer corner, creating that halo shape. So with my MAC 242 brush, I'm going in with this color called Twilight, which is one of the duo chrome toppers. So easy to work with, you guys, and as you can see, it's absolutely gorgeous. So I'm gonna add the inner corner highlight at the end because I'm gonna probably cover it up with foundation and concealer anyways. So I'm gonna do my face really quick. I'm gonna zoom past this because you guys already know. You guys seen this routine. You know what's going on. So first, going in with my Farsali and Prep and Prime for MAC. Going in with my NARS All Day Luminous. Going in with Tarte Shape Tape White Medium Honey and Medium. Then I'm just going to go in with the same two colors in my transition and put that on my lower lash line. Then going in with my Derma Blend Loose Powder. for my nose, you know I got to go with my little Mercier. Okay, I know my brows are very bold, but once I put my lashes on, they should be better. Kind of angry right now. Let's put some color on the face, honey. My Fit Me powder. Just gonna put some MAC Studio Fix on my face. Just gonna go over my face with NC45 from MAC Studio Fix. I'm gonna use this Fit Me blush from Maybelline. It's in the color Peach. I'm gonna use this pencil from Urban Decay. It's in the color Torch. I don't wanna put on any lashes. It's 7 o'clock at night. Okay, but I'm gonna do it. I got to do it. So I got my 2 favorite Lash Impress lashes with me. I just don't know. I popped on some lashes. Yes, and I'm gonna spray my face with some Fix Plus. I'm gonna pop on a little bit of that Twilight in my inner corner. All right, then I'm going to do my highlight. Need some highlight. So I want to do 2 highlights today. I want to be like really shining bright, like a diamond type highlight. So let me see. So first I'm gonna go in with some Champagne Pop. Looks like that. Oldie but goodie, honey. Ooh. Now, I always like to go back over everything with whatever brush that I use to bronze. Just make sure it's all blended well, there's no harsh lines. And then I'm gonna go in, even though I really don't need it, but just to be extra, you could leave it here if you wanted to, but to be extra, I'm gonna go in with this Inglot Face, Eyes, and Body. It's in the color number 6. It looks like this. Just going to dip in it just for like a little extra. This is just one of those looks that you want to be extra for. Oh, Jesus. My lips, I'm gonna keep with the theme of being extra. So I got my Huda lip strobes right here in the color Angelic and Enchanting. So let's put on some lip liner. I guess I'll go with Icon. Let's try Angelic. Let's try that. Let's see. Let's see what Enchanting does. It smells good. You guys, this is the final look. And yes, I'm here. I'm here for the colors. Okay, honey. Yeah, I'm really happy. Like, my camera can't even focus because I'm so damn colorful. But you guys, you don't know what your girl had to go through behind the scenes, honey, to get this look. Now I had to just start and stop and wiped off and put back on and all types of stuff. Okay, it just wasn't working out for me, but I just was like, you know what, I'm just gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep trying. I'm not gonna give up. And I'm so glad I didn't, because I came up with this. I mean, I feel like I'm about to go to Colombia or something, or Cuba. Like, girl, get your passport. Let's go. I pulled out, honey, the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I definitely love this palette. I forgot how much I loved it because I haven't used it in so long. So, yeah. I wish my camera would start to focus. If you ain't gonna focus, let me know. Anyways, you guys, I love you so much. Thank you so much for all the love on my last video. I was so happy because I posted my video probably like 5 o'clock Sunday. Woke up the next day, had 4 new subscribers. Talking about turn. Talking about like, yes, welcome to the family, honey. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Tell your friends, tell your mama, tell your auntie, tell your kids. I think that's how it goes. I think that's how it went. Tell your mama. Okay, either way, okay. Let your girl just grow a little, you know. Let her grow a little. Just hit the subscribe button and like, you know what I'm saying? Like, and then comment, you know what I'm saying? Just do that for your girl. Because I'm cute or whatever, you know. But anyways, I could talk about this all day, honey, but I need to go eat my dinner, and Housewives of Potomac is about to come on. So I love you guys so much. See you in the next video.